How to cancel YouTube TV free trial on iPhone. If you signed up for YouTube TV through your iPhone, you can cancel the free trial directly from the app or via your iPhone settings. Follow these steps. Step number 1, open the YouTube TV app. Launch the YouTube TV app on your iPhone. Log in with the Google account associated with your free trial. Step number 2, go to Settings. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Navigate to Settings, then select Membership. Step number 3, cancel membership. Under the base plan, tap Manage Membership. Select Cancel Membership and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation. Alternative method via iPhone settings. Step number 1, open Settings app. On your iPhone, open the Settings app. Step number 2, access subscriptions. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Select subscriptions from the list. Step number 3, find YouTube TV subscription. Scroll through your active subscriptions to locate YouTube TV. Step number 4, cancel subscription. Tap YouTube TV and select Cancel Subscription. Confirm your cancellation when prompted. Step number 5, verify cancellation. Ensure you receive a confirmation email or notification indicating that the subscription has been canceled. Important notes: canceling during the free trial ensures you won't be charged after the trial period ends. You will retain access to YouTube TV until the trial expiration date, even after cancellation.